Hello, my name is Yang and I'm 9 years old. Today I decided to create a channel on YouTube. My hobbies are robots, 3D design, computers and programming. I will post interesting videos and share useful information. Subscribe to my channel and write comments. Let's be friends. Good luck to everyone. See you soon.